Hey guys, how's it going? So today I have an empties video for you, which is where I go through all of the things that I've used up in the last few months. I think it's been about 3 that I have used up and that I have little mini reviews for you. And I can tell you if I was going to buy this again, if I would buy it again, if I already have, if I hate this thing, so that you know. All right, let's dig in. The first is the Marrakesh, what is this called? Argan and Hemp Oil Therapy Leave-In Treatment and Detangler. My hair is really long, as you can see. So I use a detangler every day. I either use the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner or I use the stuff. I actually kind of like the stuff better in a lot of ways. I get this on Amazon. It's called Marrakesh, M-A-R-R-A-K-E-S-H-X. Marrakesh is a place in Morocco. And the reason I have 2 of these in here is because I used up one and then I actually exported the other one into a like other kind of spritzer bottle because the spritzer bottle that I had just now, not really cutting it. And now the other one isn't cutting it either, so I might have to like move it again. But I love this product, like rebuy every time, holy grail, love it. I think I might have a review. I have one of the Hair Chemist limited macadamia oil deep repair mask. I have these in every one of my empties videos. I love this stuff. I use this and It's a 10 deep conditioning pack. I only wash my hair twice a week, so I use a deep conditioner every time. Keeps my hair healthy and wealthy and wise. I love that stuff. You can get it on Amazon also. I think it's like $8. There's that other macadamia nut oil stuff that they sell in like Ulta and stuff that has like a spotted cover. Doesn't work for me at all, and that stuff is like probably 1/3 to 1/4 of the price. I have the Tree Hut Bare Moisturizing Shave Oil. This is, you put it on your legs and then you shave your legs instead of like, you know, shave foam, I guess. I don't know what other people use. I have no idea. Some people use soap, some people don't use anything. I use this. I really like it. It keeps your legs nice and moist. It makes the razor glide over them very easily. This is a great product. You can also get this on Amazon. It's by Tree Hut. And they have it in a bunch of different, this one's called Bear. They have it in a bunch of different flavors, I guess. I haven't tried the other flavors, but they're on my wish list thing to buy more. I finished up after forever the Zellen's PHA BioPeel Resurfacing Facial Pads. These are like, what are those called from back in the day? Oxy pads kind of situation, except it has Zellen's like exfoliating acid toner on it. The reason it took me forever to use this up was because I only take this on vacation. I don't use it when I'm at home. When I'm at home I use like liquid stuff, and I don't want to bring more liquids on vacation, so I always have like peel pads and stuff for when I travel and I'm going to need to use one of these. So I would just take this on vacation with me all the time. This took me like a year to use up. I think there's like 50 pads in here. 50 pads come in this thing. These work really well. Do they work better than P50? No. Would I suggest you get P50? Probably. But if you need something to go on vacation with you, then these are great. They're not as like crazy heavy as some of the there's some that have like the dual phase pad where you have to put one acid on and then you put another acid on and it's like, holy crap, your face is purple. This isn't as strong as that. So maybe you want strong, maybe you want a little bit gentler. These are very gentle and very kind. Those came in a Caroline Hyman's box. This is interesting. This is Hustle Butter. Looks like this, and it's Richie Bulldog approved. Like, I don't even know who Richie Bulldog is. Anyway, this is actually tattoo butter. I use it. I have a new one on the go already. I use it for my tattoos to moisturize them. It makes your tattoos stay healthy and bright. This one is all natural. The ingredients are like shea fruit butter, mango seed butter, aloe vera extract, coconut oil, sunflower oil, rice bran oil, stuff like that. That's like all natural. This stuff is awesome. It smells really good. I really like it. And actually I use this not just on my tattoos. Like if I'm in a really dry climate, like my husband and I went to like Tahoe and it's really dry, and my husband is like the kind of person who like cracks, like his fingers crack and he'll bleed if he gets like not hydrated enough, and he's like, no matter how much water he drinks, he's never hydrated enough. So I was rubbing this all over him and he stayed like awesome last time we went. So if you, Okay, if you need something that'll keep you very hydrated if you're really dry, this is the stuff for you for sure. And also it is definitely like oily, like your skin will be shiny. Like if you put it on your hands will be shiny, and like when you touch stuff for a little while, like it takes a little while for it to sink in, like 10-15 minutes on your hands. So if you're a person who like hates stuff on your hands, and put it on you and then go wash your hands kind of situation. But it is the most hydrating and awesome, like it comes in a balm kind of format. It's awesome, like highly recommend. Definitely already have another one. Definitely will always buy more. Take a moment of silence for my Nexus hair oil, as this bottle is super gross. This is what Nexus hair oil looked like. I love this stuff. It's totally been discontinued. They have it on Amazon for like $35, $44, whatever. I won't buy that, obviously. Like you can get like Way stuff for cheaper, and I don't like Way as much. I love this stuff, but it's not a thing anymore. So would I buy this again? 100,000%. If you ever find Nexus hair oil, not only stock up and get some for your hair. I put hair oil in my hair every time I wash my hair, just on like the ends to keep them nice and moisturized, because my hair is long enough that oils don't get down to the bottom very often. Anyway, if you find this, please let me know. It should be like $9, not $45. I love that stuff. Rip. What's this? Oh, okay, Rituals. This is the Sensational Foaming Shower Gel, and this is the Ritual of Sakura. Okay, so commentary on this. I hate the smell of this stuff. This particular one, the Ritual of Sakura smell. I don't like it. Do I like Rituals in general? Yes, I love Rituals. They have a Ritual of Hammam that I really like, and they have a goji berry candle that is mind-blowing. I may have bought one of those before Christmas. I may have bought two. Anyway, they're very expensive though. I should have put that in my haul. Oh well. I hated this smell. Like I would never buy the Ritual of Sakura again. Like that's not my jam. But it smells like organic rice milk and cherry blossom. I guess that's not the thing for me. Anyway, I like this foaming stuff. I don't want to use it every shower though. It's not, it cleanses well, I'll give it that. It's just, it's foam, and it's weird to rub foam all over yourself and you don't fully know if you're super clean or not, and you just don't feel clean. Like you feel clean, but you don't know if you feel totally clean, because you don't feel the same kind of clean that you did when you used your body lotion cleaning stuff. What is that called? Body gel? Shower gel? Shower gel. I can use words. It's not the same. I like it. I have another one in my shower right now, the Hammam one. I'm using it, so clearly I like it. I do not like the Sakura smell. Your mileage may vary because everyone likes different smells. What is this? Okay, this is the Rose Sleeping Mask from Sephora. I liked this. When I mask multi-mask though. I put on like 3 different masks, like not at one time, but in a succession. And I always end on something like this. Either like an aloe, like the Peter Thomas Roth. Do I have the other one? Yeah, this is the Rose, let's just do both. Rose Stem Cell Peter Thomas Roth one, and this is the one from Sephora. Obviously this is way cheaper than this one. They're both good. I like both of them. You might as well buy this one. These really like hydrate your face after, like if you do a mud mask and you're like, I'm gonna use that face as my, what is that called? The card that you put up for your video. So the Rose Stem Cells and the Rose Sleeping Mask are both really good. This one's obviously cheaper, so I would obviously just go with this one. This one came in a value kit. Would I use this again? 100%. Would I go out and buy it individually? No, I would not. Would I buy this? Maybe. I actually like the aloe vera one from Peter Thomas Roth the best. Of all the hydrating ones, that just sort of like I was saying, after you use your mud mask, you might want something to like really like your face. Do you like my sound effects? I'm teaching you all how to speak, Noelle. The people at my work know how to, like, they just get the sound effects. Yeah. Okay, here we are. This is a Molten Brown Bushukan body wash. I had another one, and it should have been in this, but it's not. There are 2 of these. I'm going to throw that one out, too. I'm not going to wait for another haul. I love Molten Brown. It is my favorite body wash. It just is. Although I really like the Soft Soap Pomegranate body wash also, which is way cheaper than any of this. So honestly, you could use that. These just have a like brilliant smell. I like almost all the Molten Brown smells. They're all really nice. The body wash makes you feel very clean. That is what I like about it. And a little bit goes a long way. Like I don't have to use that whole bottle in one go. Like that little tiny thing will last me like 5 showers. And you feel clean. Like you don't feel squeaky clean, like weird clean. You feel still hydrated, but you definitely feel like you can feel it moving around your body. It feels good. Since we're on this path. Oh, this one still has water in it. Noble Isle. I have Willow Song and Whiskey and Water. I liked both of these smells. Do I like this Noble Isle stuff? I did like it. I'm glad I tried it. Would I buy it again? Probably not. It gets you clean. But this will only last, this one's even bigger than that one, and this will only last me like 3 showers because you have to use more. And I don't know why. I don't even know how I judge this. I just know like how far it spreads on me makes a difference, and how like clean I feel, and if I feel like I need to go back over a spot or whatever. This one's not as much, and it's more expensive, so sorry about all the clanging. I'm just tossing the stuff down. This is the Vert in Bigorod, L'Occitane. The Vert. Shower gel. I did like this. It smelled really good. I thought it was a pleasant body wash. I use this whole thing in 2 showers, which I'm not a small person, so I need shower gel. Would I buy it again? Probably not. If it was given to me in some sort of gift basket, would I love it? Yes, I would. Okay, this is the Anne Simonin bath and shower gel. I like this. This lasted me 3 showers. For those interested. The reason I talk about this stuff is because that I got in our hotel in Japan. My husband like fell in love with the shampoo. It's called mistletoe shampoo. It smells like mistletoe, which I didn't know mistletoe had a smell, but it does. My husband loves that shampoo. That shampoo is like 40 euros a bottle. And I bought him, maybe it's 30 euros a bottle. I don't know. I bought him like $160. It must be 40 because I bought 4. And I paid, I think, 160 euros for it to come for a Christmas present. He loves the shampoo. The body wash was all right. I enjoyed using it. It was nothing special. It was not worth spending a, like, you know, ton of money on. Okay, we have a Glam Glow Super Mud Cleansing Treatment. Hi, I just dropped it. It looks like this. The reason it's weird on the top is because I cut them open and dig out every ounce of it. I'm one of those people. Highly recommend it. I have this little scoop thing. Do I have one in here? No, but you could use this. So I have like a thing that's like this, but it's rubber. And I like go in and scoop it all out. Because when you think you're done with this, you have at least one more mask in there. I'm telling you. Also, I apply my masks with old foundation brushes, like the flat, like paintbrush style foundation brushes, because I don't use those for foundation. Let me know if you do use those for foundation, because I haven't found anyone who actually uses those for foundation. Like Mac sells a lot of them though, so I'm like, what are you guys using them for? Anyway, every time I get one in a kit, I use it to put on masks, and I just wash it like normal. Because it lets you have a lot more uses out of your mask, because it can spread it a lot thinner than your fingers can, a lot more evenly. This is the Sephora Honey Sleeping Mask. Again, same situation. I use it at the end of my treatment. I have another honey mask that I also use that way. I like these a lot. Do I like them more than Rose Stem Cell? No, about the same. It's nice to have, it's a very hydrating treatment. I enjoy using something like this at the end of my masking routine. You could also use like a hydrating sheet mask if you wanted to do that way, and you could get away with it a lot cheaper. But I like this Sephora one. The honey one was pretty good. This is an Exfolikate. I have a whole video on this. Exfolikate is a holy grail item for me. It is like burning a layer of your face off, and it feels so good. I like burning a layer of my face off because it keeps my face looking young. I love it. This is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting Face Mask. Did I enjoy this? Yes. Would I buy it again? Probably not. Did I find it extremely remarkable? No. No, I did not. Was it vibrancy boosting? not any more than any other mask. So again, if it was given to me, I would 100% use it because I pretty much like all masks. I think they're fun. So, and they usually make my skin look really great the next day. But unless I find one that's like amazing, I don't really stick to one. Like Thirsty Mud, hell yes. Thirsty Mud is the most hydrating mask you will ever find. It is amazing. Glam Glow that crap up. Like, yes, buy that one. This one, meh, meh, meh. A lot of people really like fresh masks though, so I maybe just don't, I'm not as discerning. Maybe my skin is whatever. Okay, this is the CEO C&E Protect Repair Moisturizer from Sunday Riley. This is a little sample. I'm gonna do a separate video on this also and put it up. I love this stuff. I thought it was awesome. I would 100% buy this in a big thing if I did not have 1 million moisturizers to use. I am sad that I have to go through all my other moisturizers before I can buy this again. Let's put it that way. But I have a rule and I'm trying to do that low buy, so here we are. Okay, this one is a fresh black tea instant perfecting mask. I like this mask more than the other one. Did I like lose that one? So this one is the fresh vitamin nectar. This was okay, pretty good. This was the black tea. I like this a lot more. I felt like this did a lot more for my skin as far as like it's instant perfecting mask. Advanced antioxidants immediately reveals softer, firmer skin. Yeah, it's probably because it's slightly exfoliating. I tend to really like exfoliating things. So that was the totality of my empties. I'm super excited that I got through them super quickly, even though this video is really long. Me jabbering on. Usually I have a lot more stuff than that, and usually half of it is shampoo. So I've decided that I'm just not going to include like my shampoo. I will include my conditioners because people might be new and might want to watch that. But I use Pantene. I like Pantene. It is how it is, but it's stupid for me to keep showing 18 bottles of Pantene. So I'm not gonna do that anymore. That is my new 2019 rule for empties videos. I'm trying to use that product as quickly as possible so that I can give you as many empties videos as possible, and as soon as I get enough, I will make another one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. You can click the little bell if you want notifications, no pressure. I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me know how you are. What have you finished up that you like a lot? Do you mask, and do you find that any particular mask is amazing? I find like I have like 3 or 4 that are amazing. The pumpkin enzyme mask is amazing. Maybe it's cucumber, not aloe, from Peter Thomas Roth is pretty good. What is that other one? I have a bunch of them. I like masks. I like them in general. I've only found 4 or 5 that are like amazing and blow my mind. Thirsty Mud is amazing. Stuff like that. Anyway, leave me a comment below if you have masks that you really like and let me know what I can try. All right, hope you guys are having a great day. See you later. Bye.